Hello, pizza lovers and culinary enthusiasts. I must apologize for the delay in bringing you this delightful content. The holidays, in combination with some personal matters, have kept me occupied. I truly appreciate your patience and understanding during this time. Now I'm thrilled to be back, and I've brought with me a little something that's sure to tickle your taste buds. So dust off your aprons and preheat those ovens, my friends. But today I promise you something truly delectable, a simple recipe to make the perfect pizza at home. To embark on this culinary journey, first, gather your key players. For a truly authentic pizza experience, the ingredients we choose will play a pivotal role. Starting with the base of our creation, the pizza dough. Whether you opt for store-bought or homemade, ensure it's fresh and ready to rise to the occasion. Next, the heart of the pizza, the tomato sauce. A good quality sauce can elevate your pizza from ordinary to extraordinary. So whether it's canned or freshly made, it should be rich, tangy, and full of flavor. Our third ingredient is the soul of the pizza, mozzarella cheese. Fresh, creamy, and slightly tangy, it melts to create that iconic pizza topping we all crave. Finally, the personal touch, your chosen toppings. From classic pepperoni to exotic pineapple, the choice is all yours, reflecting your unique taste and creativity. Now that we have all our ingredients ready, it's time to get our hands dirty. The magic of pizza making lies in the preparation. It's about crafting a canvas of dough just the right thickness, hand-stretched to perfection. This is not just a base, but the foundation of our culinary masterpiece. And remember, it's okay if it's not perfectly round, it's homemade after all. Once our dough is prepped, it's time to introduce the sauce. A swirl of rich, vibrant tomato sauce, lovingly spread edge to edge, infuses our pizza with that classic Italian flavor. But don't overdo it, we don't want a soggy base. Next, we invite the cheese to join the party. A generous layer of mozzarella shredded to melt evenly across the pizza, creating that irresistible, gooey goodness. But remember, this is your pizza, so feel free to experiment with different types of cheese. Now, the toppings. These are the personality of our pizza, the chance to really make it your own. Whether you're a fan of spicy pepperoni, earthy mushrooms, or even sweet pineapple, the choice is yours. Finally, it's time to preheat the oven. This is crucial. A hot oven ensures a crispy bottom and a perfectly cooked pizza. So crank it up to a toasty 230 degrees Celsius or 450 degrees Fahrenheit for our friends across the pond. With our pizza assembled and the oven preheated, we're ready for the next step. The anticipation builds as our creation is ready to hit the oven. Now it's time for the magic to happen. We slide our pizza onto a preheated baking stone or baking tray. This is a crucial step because the high initial heat gives our pizza that crispy golden brown crust we all crave. Setting the oven to the right temperature is vital. For a traditional home-style pizza, we're aiming for around 475 degrees Fahrenheit. Let your pizza bake for about 12 to 15 minutes, but don't wander too far. Keep a vigilant eye on your creation. You wouldn't want your masterpiece to burn. Now, for the cheese. We want it to bubble and turn slightly golden, but not too brown. This is where the art of pizza baking truly lies, knowing when to pull it out of the oven at just the right moment. Once our pizza has achieved that perfect balance of crispy crust and gooey cheese, it's time to take it out of the oven. Allow it a moment to cool. This will make slicing easier. Then with a sharp pizza wheel or a large knife, we slice it into pieces. Be sure to cut all the way through the crust for a clean slice. And there you have it. The perfect homemade pizza, ready to tantalize your taste buds. The smell of freshly baked pizza is truly irresistible, isn't it? Now, it's your turn to try this recipe and add that irresistible aroma to your own kitchen. We'd love to hear about your cooking adventures, so do share your experiences with us. We're grateful for your patience as we navigated through the Tet holiday and some personal matters. Rest assured, we'll be delivering more delicious recipes your way on a regular basis. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy cooking!